Hey, welcome to Analog Output. Just a little video here to show you this module. This is the Nonlinear Circuits Sloth Chaos in my Kosmo format version of it. This is a module that makes chaotic control voltages. So it's got two outputs and it just makes control voltages that vary slowly but in an unpredictable way. They sort of repeat. It sort of goes up and down, but it doesn't repeat exactly. Sometimes it goes higher, sometimes it goes lower, and over the long term there's just no predicting what it's actually going to do. Maybe it would be better to just take a look at a demo rather than trying to understand my explanation. So let's do that. Simple patch here. Chaotic control voltages, controlling both an oscillator and a filter cutoff. There's a knob that supposedly affects the trajectory of the chaos, but it doesn't have any immediately obvious effect. But it's there if you like turning knobs. There's an LED that turns from red to green once in a while. Again, not sure how useful, but it turns from red to green once in a while. And there you go. So this is, you can see the circuit board here. I got the circuit board from Nonlinear Circuits. They sell these. They sell Eurorack format front panels for them. But I made my own Kosmo format front panel, built it as designed originally mostly, other than basically the big changes. Instead of using the 3.5mm board mount jacks, I used the 1/4-inch panel mount jacks and wired them up to the same pads. There's a piece of foam there underneath to support that end, since it's not being supported by the jacks anymore. There's not much to it. There's, one chip, few components. There's actually 4 versions of this you can make. They give you 4 sets of component values you can use. Same circuit board, same types of components, but different values. And I made the first version here, which it goes through its cycle once every several seconds. There's other versions, one that cycles about once a minute, one that cycles about every 15 minutes, and then there's one, the Stasis Sloth, that cycles about once every 1.5 hours. So if you want, you could set up something with very, very slowly evolving drones if you're into that sort of thing. There's all sorts of fun possibilities, and I like this. It's a fun thing, and I'm seriously thinking one of these days I might build another one, a slower one. This is one of 5 modules I made during the month of September. I'll show you some of the other ones in some upcoming videos. So, subscribe button, you know where that is. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time once again on Analog Output.